Hi everyone. In this section, I'm going to cover limitation of Excel. So every softwares, every tools has some limitations. So here the limitation of Excel is 10,48,576 rows and column is 16,384 columns in Excel. So here, how we can pick the row number and column number in Excel? So I'll let you know. So here, going to start Excel, and here I will let you know how we can pick the last row number and last column number through the function. So let's see. Here I want to pick the last row number. So you have to write here row function. In row function, I will pick the row number. So you have to take row number of Excel, last row number of Excel. So here, this is the last row number of Excel. So you can see here 10,48,576. Bracket close, then enter. So now you can see here you are getting 10,48,576. This is the last row number. If I talk about the last column number, then you will have to write here column function. You have to press Control right arrow, then bracket close and enter. So this is the last column number 16,384. In Excel, this is the last limit of row and column. In Excel, we can manage data in row and column. This is the tool where we can manage two-dimensional data. That's all for this section. Thank you so much for this video.